Right now we're looking at a 1941 Chevy pickup. Customer of ours cars, we work on all of their normal daily drivers. This is a very special vehicle to them, as the wife's father started the restoration project. Unfortunately, he passed away and wasn't able to complete it. So she's very passionate about this truck as far as getting it restored and being able to drive it and keep those memories of her father alive. After they had gotten the vehicle restored, they drove it quite a bit. They started noticing a little issue with the engine. They gave us a call, asked us if it was something that we'd be willing to look at for them. We definitely said we'd love to be part of their project, and so they brought it on down. We drove around with them. We came to the conclusion that there was definitely a mechanical issue inside of the engine. We went ahead and discussed several different options with them, some of them being putting a different, larger engine in, rebuilding the engine that was in the truck. We did find a used engine for them to give them several different options. After discussing the pricing on each option, they decided that for ease of installation and timely repair, they wanted to go ahead and go with the used one. So we got the used one down here at the shop. As you can see with the half of the hood open here, there's really not a whole lot of area to pull the engine out without possibly damaging some of the items inside or potentially scratching the paint job. We're going to go ahead and have one of our shops that we do a lot of business with, they're going to come over and help us remove the front end so that we have plenty of access, making sure that we're not going to damage anything that's already been taken care of restoration-wise. We're also going to make some upgrades to the front suspension and steering, putting power steering on it and a few other things. If you have a project like this of your own, or there's a project that you maybe were thinking about getting started on, we'd look forward to talking to you about that and discussing what we can do to help you out with that. Give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop.